Welcome to Outdoorsumo.com. Hi guys, today I will show you Herdio outdoor Bluetooth speakers. Enjoy quality music with the Herdio Bluetooth speakers. These speakers connect with your Bluetooth-enabled devices like iPhone, Alexa, iPad, mobile, and tablet, among others. So, you can enjoy fun entertainment right at your fingertips. They have a Bluetooth range of 30 feet. However, you need to connect one Bluetooth device at a time. And if you want to use another device, you should disconnect the previous one. Enjoy loud and clear sound in your outdoor environment. When you connect the speakers, they offer a great sound performance to meet your needs. The speakers fill the area with crisp sound, and you will also feel the deep bass. The speaker also has internal cabinet walls that eliminate annoying cabinet resonance to provide clean sound regardless of the level. Thanks for visit this channel.